Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to take a hearing test with your AirPods Pro 2. Alright, let's begin. Before we get started, note that this feature is currently available only on AirPods Pro 2 and may not be accessible in all regions. First, ensure your AirPods are in your ears and connected to your iPhone. Open the Settings application and tap on your AirPods at the top. Now, scroll down until you see Hearing Test and tap on it. You will see an information card explaining that the test takes about 5 minutes. Make sure you are in a quiet environment during the test. You will hear audio played at different volumes and frequencies. Tap your iPhone when you hear it. Once you're ready, click on Get Started. You will answer a few questions before proceeding. Ensure you are in a quiet space and click Next. The app will prompt you to place the AirPods in the correct ear. Follow the instructions for fitting them properly. After that, click on Start Check for an ear tip fit test. If your fit is good and the environment is quiet, click Next. Do Not Disturb will be enabled during the test. Click Next again to play a sample noise. When you're familiar with the sound, click Next to start the test. The audio will play twice for accuracy. When finished, click Show Results to view your results. Or you can click Show Details for a detailed graph of frequencies you can hear. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.